Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's cook the best recipes with Joe. I'm back today with a perfect recipe of chicken dum biryani. Let's look at the ingredients required. The first step is to nicely marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 1 kg of chicken. I have washed the chicken nicely with water and some rock salt. I have taken 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of biryani masala, 3 tablespoons of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, juice of 1 lemon, some fried onions, 1 cup of fresh coriander, 1 cup of mint leaves, and 1 cup of curd or yogurt. Now start adding all the ingredients to the chicken. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of biryani masala, 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 spoon of salt, add in the lemon juice, add some fried onions, add some chopped coriander, add some mint leaves, and finally add the curd. Mix all the ingredients well and allow the chicken to marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, I have taken 750 grams of basmati rice. I have washed them well and soaked them for 15 to 20 minutes by adding 4 glasses of water. After 15 minutes, I have added 3 to 4 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 1 kapok bud cut into half, two spoons of shahi jeera or the black cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick cut into pieces, and 5 to 6 cloves. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix all the spices well. Keep the flame on high and allow the rice to cook until it is 80% done. While the rice is boiling, take a large non-stick pan or a handi. Add in 4 tablespoons of ghee and 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 onions thinly sliced and 5 to 6 green chilies. Saute them. Add the ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Now add half a tablespoon of salt, half spoon of turmeric powder. Saute them well. Cook the onions for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the chopped tomatoes. Saute them. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes are soft and nicely cooked. Now add in the red chili powder, the remaining garam masala and the biryani masala. Saute them. You can also cover it with a lid and cook it for a minute. After 1 minute, turn off the stove. And add half a cup of curd. Mix everything well and turn on the stove. Now add the marinated chicken. Keep the flame on low to medium and cook the chicken for 2 minutes. Cover it with a lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. As the chicken was marinated well, it doesn't take much time to cook. After 6 minutes, separate half portion of the cooked chicken. Now check the rice should be 80% cooked. Strain the water and start adding the rice on top of the chicken. Add half a portion of the rice and spread it evenly. Now add some fried onions, few mint leaves, few coriander leaves. I have taken a pinch of orange food color and added 4 spoons of milk. And adding half portion of the mixture on top of the rice. Then add the other portion of the chicken on top of the rice. Spread it evenly. Add the remaining rice on the top. Spread it well. Add the remaining fried onions. Add the coriander and the mint leaves. Add rest of the milk on top of the rice. If you have kesar, you can also take some kesar and add milk and add it on top of the rice. I am adding 4 spoons of ghee. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. You can put some weight on the lid so that the rice gets the flavors of all the spices and the chicken, and it's perfectly cooked. After 25 minutes, you can see that the chicken dum biryani is perfect and ready to be served hot. Serve it hot with some raita and some vegetable salad on the side, and you can enjoy this perfect chicken dum biryani. I hope you like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.